In this video, I'm going to show you 6 different things you can try to fix verification codes not being received by your phone. These verification codes could be anything from one-time passcodes to log into websites like Amazon, or verification codes to verify your identity with Facebook or Instagram or what have you. Just any kind of verification code. These steps should be able to help you receive those codes. Most of the things we're going to do are in the Settings app. So let's go in there. And we need to go back to the very main settings page here and scroll to the very bottom and then tap on Apps. And then tap on the M and then tap on Messages. When you scroll down here, the very first thing we want to do is turn off iMessage and then turn it back on again. And you can see here it's waiting for activation. So we disconnected iMessage and reconnected it. Sometimes a lot of issues can be resolved. So that might have fixed your problem right there. Any one of these options or fixes I show you could fix your problem. So the second thing we want to do is make sure that screen unknown unknown senders is turned off. If this is turned on, the messages from unknown senders will be sent to a different list. Might be hard to find. They're probably in your iMessage or in your Messages app. But still, just keep these all in the same list, and then it'll be much more easy for you to identify when the verification codes come through. The third fix you can try is temporarily turning off filter spam, because some of these bots that send these text messages might be labeled as spam, or your phone might identify them as spam. So turning that off until you get the verification code, and then turning it back on again after, might be something that fixes your issue. Number 4, we want to make sure that regular text messages over cellular data is turned on. We find that here under RCS Messaging. Make sure that this is toggled on. This is going to make sure you receive text through cellular data, which is regular text messages, because a lot of these text message bots don't send from iPhone hardware, so they're not using iMessage. They're going to be using regular text messages. So make sure that is turned on. Number 5, if none of those worked, it could be that for some reason, the bot that sends the verification codes is blocked. So let's check the blocked contacts. I currently have 14. You can see them all listed here. And these are all random phone numbers. You're not going to know which one is a bot potentially. But there are certain phone numbers, not even phone numbers, certain numbers that are usually bots. At the very bottom of my list, I have one entry here. It's 66000. That's not a real phone number, but that is a bot that sends out text messages. So if you have any of those on your blocked list, maybe unblock them for a while. Make a note of them, write them down on a piece of paper. You can reblock them later, but you can unblock them and see if text message verifications then come through. And then the number 6 method you can try is turning off your focus mode. Whatever focus mode you're on, it might be blocking text messages from getting through. So either allow text messages to come through on that focus mode or just temporarily turn it off. Have no focus mode on until you get the verification code, and then you can turn it back on again later. And a bonus tip, number 7, is rebooting your phone. Sometimes your phone just has to be rebooted so the software for the iOS can be reloaded and any issues that are happening in the background can be reset. To do that, you just press volume up, volume down, then hold the action button on the side. Keep holding it until the Apple logo appears. Don't slide the power off right there. Just keep going. Keep holding it. Almost there. And now we're done. We can let go of the button. The phone is rebooting, and hopefully one of those or a combination of those help you receive your verification codes. And if you got value from this video, you want to support the channel and help me keep making those videos for free on YouTube, you can join the membership for this channel. There's a join button right down below this video. Just tap on it. You'll see the various options, and I'd love it if you sign up as a member. And if you want to find more space on your phone, as in gigabytes of space quite often, check out this video right here. It's going to help you clear the hidden and secret trash cans on iPhone so you can get a lot more space back on your phone. So make sure you check that out next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.